Welcome to my channel. I create simple and practical English conversations that you can use in your real life. My videos are based on everyday situations, and I share real-life conversations from my daily activities so you can learn English easily and naturally. If you want to improve your English speaking skills with real-life examples, you're in the right place. Have a topic in mind? Share it in the comment side. Love to create a video about it for you. Oh no! The washing machine isn't working again.
Really? What exactly is the problem?
I pressed the start button, but it's not turning on.
That's strange. Did you check if it's plugged in properly?
Yes, I checked the plug and the socket too.
Maybe it's a power issue in the house.
No, the lights and everything else are working fine.
Then the machine itself might have a problem.
I really need to wash these clothes today?
Are they urgent?
Yes, I have to wear some of them tomorrow.
That makes it difficult.
I didn't expect the machine to stop like this.
These things happen at the worst time.
Exactly, it's so frustrating.
Let's try to find a quick solution.
Also, Emma's school uniform is in this pile. She needs it for tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's important. She can't go to school without it.
I know. And it's completely dirty after today. John doesn't have anything clean left.
That makes the situation even worse.
I'm really worried now. We can't delay this.
Don't worry. We'll manage somehow.
Should we go to a laundry service nearby?
It might take too long. And they may not deliver today.
You're right. We don't have that much time.
Then the best option is, to wash the clothes by hand.
It will take a lot of effort. But we have no choice.
I'll help you so we can finish faster.
Thank you. That really means a lot right now.
Let's check the washing machine first, to see why it's not working.
It was working perfectly yesterday.
Maybe something went wrong overnight.
I didn't even overload it last time. I was very careful.
That's good. Then it's probably not your fault.
Still, I don't understand how it just stopped suddenly.
Sometimes machines develop problems without any warning.
I hope it's not a serious problem.
It could be a minor issue, like a loose wire or something small.
I really hope so. Because repairing it might be expensive.
Don't worry too much yet. Let's check a few things first.
What should we check?
Let's start with the basics. Power supply, plug, and switch.
I already checked the plug, it seems fine.
Okay, then maybe the door isn't closed properly.
Let me see. No, the door is tightly shut.
That's strange. Does it make any sound at all?
No, it's completely silent.
That could mean it's not getting power internally.
That sounds serious.
Not necessarily. It might just be a small internal issue.
I really hope we don't need a costly repair.
We won't know until we check it properly.
Should we call a technician now?
Maybe we should try a few more things first.
Like what?
We can unplug it for a few minutes and restart it.
Okay, let's try that. Sometimes restarting helps.
Exactly. It works for many devices.
I just hope it starts again.
If not, then we'll call a technician.
All right, let's give it one last try.
Yes, hopefully it's just a small problem.
Do you think we should call a technician?
Yes, that would be the safest option. but I don't have any technician's number.
We can search online for one nearby.
That's a good idea.
I'll check reviews before calling anyone.
Okay, let me know what you find.
Sure, we'll find someone reliable.
The technician says he can come tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That's quite late.
Yes, but he's fully booked today.
That's not helpful for us right now. We need clean clothes urgently.
Maybe we should think of another option.
Like what?
Maybe hand washing for today.
Washing clothes by hand will take a lot of time.
Yes, but it's better than waiting for the machine to get fixed.
You're right. I don't have a choice right now.
Don't worry, I'll help you with it.
That would make it much easier. There are so many clothes to wash.
We can divide the work between us.
Good idea. I'll start soaking the clothes first.
And I'll prepare the soap and buckets.
I didn't realize how much would depend on the washing machine.
True, it saves us a lot of time and effort.
My hands are going to get tired quickly.
Take breaks if you need. No need to rush too much.
No, let's try to finish it as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll start scrubbing these shirts.
I'll wash Emma's uniform first. It's the most important.
That's a good priority. She needs it for tomorrow.
Yes, I don't want her to worry in the morning.
Don't worry. We'll get everything done in time.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all, we're a team.
It feels less stressful when you're helping me.
That's what teamwork is for.
Hopefully, the washing machine gets fixed soon.
Yes, life will be much easier after that.
This is actually harder than I thought.
Yes, we're so used to machines doing everything for us.
My hands are already getting tired after just a few minutes.
That's normal. Hand washing takes a lot more effort.
I didn't realize how much work it really is.
Same here.
Do you think we should take a short break?
You can if you're feeling too tired.
No, let's finish it quickly before it gets too late.
All right, I'll keep going with you.
Okay, I'll scrub these clothes properly.
And I'll rinse these ones in clean water.
Make sure you remove all the soap.
Don't worry, I'll rinse them twice.
Good. We don't want any soap left in them.
Exactly, that could irritate the skin.
I'll start washing the next batch now.
Great, we're making good progress.
It's still a lot of work, though.
Yes, but we're almost halfway done.
That's encouraging.
Just a little more effort. And we'll finish everything.
I'm glad you're helping me.
Of course. I couldn't let you do all this alone.
That really means a lot.
Teamwork makes tough tasks easier.
Look, we're almost done now.
Yes, just a few more clothes left.
Finally, we did it.
See, it wasn't impossible after all.
Finally, all the clothes are clean.
Yes, that took some effort.
I really hope the machine gets fixed soon.
Me too, it saves a lot of time and energy.
Next time I'll check it earlier just in case.
That's a smart idea.
Thanks again for helping me today.
Anytime, we handled it well together.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.